Good morning, viewer. Here's the breaking news. Cognitive impairment in both conditions might be linked to closely coordinated genetic alterations in two kinds of brain cells, providing hints for potential treatments. Researchers from the Broad Institute of MIT and Harvard, along with colleagues from Harvard Medical School and McLean Hospital, have identified remarkably consistent alterations in gene expressions within the brains of individuals with schizophrenia and older adults. This discovery points to a shared biological foundations underlying the cognitive difficulties frequently observed in patients with schizophrenia and in aging populations. In a study published in Nature, the team describes how they analyzed gene expressions in more than a million individual cells from post-mortem brain tissue from 191 people. They found that in individuals with schizophrenia and in older adults without schizophrenia, two brain cells types called astrocytes and neurons reduced their expressions of genes that support the junctions between neurons called synapses. Compared to healthy or younger people, they also discovered tightly synchronized gene expression changes in the two cell types when neurons decreased the expression of certain genes related to synapses. Astrocytes similarly churn and change expression of a distinct set of genes that support synapses. The team called this coordinated set of changes the synaptic neuron and astrocyte program, that is called SNAP. Even in healthy young people, the expression of the SNAP genes always increased or decreased in a coordinated way in their neurons and astrocytes. Science often focuses on what genes each cell type expresses on its own, said Steve McCarroll, a co-senior author on the study and an institute member at the Broad Institute. But brain tissue from many people and machine learning analysis of this data help us recognize a larger systems. These cell types are not acting as independent entities but have really close coordinated. The strength of those relationships took our breath away. Schizophrenia is well known for causing hallucinations and delusion, which can be at least partly treated with medications, but it also causes debilitating cognitive decline, which has no effective treatments, and it's common in aging as well. The new findings suggest that the cognitive changes in both conditions might involve similar cellular and molecular alteration in the brain. To detect coordination between astrocytes and neurons in schizophrenia and aging, we needed to study tissue samples from a very large number of individuals, said Sabina Barreta, a co-senior author of the study and associate professor at Harvard Medical School and a researcher in the field of psychiatric disorder. Our gratitude goes to all donors who choose to donate their brain to research to help others suffering from brain disorders and to whom we had like to dedicate this work. Beda Sipur.